Hi guys, in this video we will be learning the total surface area, lateral surface area and the volume of a cuboid. In my previous video I had put the same three topics on a cube, but in this video we will proceed with a cuboid. So let's start. So now you all will be familiar with the shape of a cuboid. It has the same faces, same vertices and same edges as of a cube, but a cube cannot be called a cuboid because the cube is made up of 6 square faces, whereas the cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces. Now let us see the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now, to understand this, let us draw a cuboid here. Now, this lateral surface area includes only 4 faces of the cuboid. The top part and the bottom part are excluded in the lateral surface area. Now, to find the lateral surface area, first you need to know the perimeter of one rectangle of a cuboid. So, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and as the cuboid contains height, which is this, just multiply the perimeter of the of a cuboid with the height. So this becomes the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now let us go to the total surface area of the cuboid. For understanding this concept, let us draw the net of the cuboid. Net is nothing but opening the three-dimensional figure and drawing it. So that is called the net of the three-dimensional figure. So this, when we talk about this particular rectangle, it has a length and a breadth, and when we take the next rectangle, it also has a length and a breadth. So all the rectangles present here have a certain length and a breadth. So now when we collect all these values, we get 2 multiplied by L into B plus B into H plus L into H. So L here is the length, B here is the breadth, and H here is the height of the cuboid. Now when we write this formulae a little bit clearly, we get 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus LH squared units. Always when we calculate the total surface area or even the lateral surface area for any figure, it is always represented by squared units. Now let us go to the last topic of this video, that is volume of a cuboid. Let us draw a cuboid first. Now a cuboid has 3 measures. They are length, breadth and the height. So just multiply these 3 units to get the volume of a cuboid. So we get length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now as we are multiplying 3 units together, we get cubic units. So therefore it can also be called LBH cubic units. Now let us have a small recap of what we learned in this short video. The lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2 into L plus B, which is the perimeter of a rectangle of a cuboid, multiplied by the height, and the total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus LH, and these two are expressed at the last in squared units. Don't forget to write this at the last. And the volume of the cuboid is simply multiplying all the 3 measures of a cuboid. They are length into breadth into height, that is LBH cubic units. As we are multiplying 3 units here, we get LBH cubic units. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.